talaga madilas. Tula, pero bigyan mo ng 1 week pa. Tagal ko hindi naglaro. Sige, bro.
I done had too many friends that died. Sometimes I can't believe I'm still alive. She told you I ain't had it, but she lied. Boy, don't play with me, you know I'm fried.
Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa game. Meron tayong tune up daw. basketball. So nagsabi sila sa amin kahapon lang. So hindi kami nakakuha ng mga players na pwedeng maglaro sa amin. So magtsatsagaan na lang muna nila kami. Bihis lang tayo, antayin natin yung ibang players. 6 lang ata kami o 7. Tapos lalabanan natin sila Gerald Anderson. Hindi ko alam kung sino makakakampi niya. Pero ayun, for sure mapapalaban tayo sa nila kasi condition yung mga.
Even I know you ain't no good for me, but you feel so good to me. Every time I come back I try to leave. So how you end up back with me? Oh, this ain't what I want, this is something else. Something that ain't good for my health. And I've been searching but I can't get no help.
Sa yung ibang player namin, meron pa sunod na yun. Okay. Pero kompleto naman kami.
Ayos.
Kami lang yun.
Dalawa pa lang kami. So, yes sir.
From the world I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said baby don't be mad, you know how Brent is.
Ano masabi ko sa kalaban natin yun? Hindi na sila? Yun no? Wala eh. Tignan mo pa aura pa lang. Oo, aura pa lang nila. Ano eh, makikita mo agad eh. Eh, paano yung mga kampi naman natin? Niwala ka naman sa mga kampi? Ay, siyempre. Third player lang ako eh. Teammate ko siya dati. High school? Dati before. High school no? Kaso, wala eh, siya na lang nagpatuloy eh. Napawis na lang tayo. Pero nag-teammate pa tayo ano, sabi. Saan yan? Ay, naging kaplo ko pa pala siya sa TXT. Dito sa Sharks. Dalawang ano yun eh. Champion kami sa regional. Saka sa nationals. Yung pinaka-last team na. Ay guys, so warm up na sila. Tapos may mga bagong sunod. Tapos kami, 6 lang kami. Pero ayun. No reasons naman kasi sinabihan naman nila kami kahapon. So may time kami para maghanap ng players. So dahil nga nag-negative yung iba. I mean, nag-G na sila tapos last minute may mga ensayo pala. So ayun, kahit 6 lang.
Malag no?
Laban. Siyempre pride ng top 4. Saka din para mabigyan sila ng maayos na laban. Okay, Bondri, 1, 2, 3.
I love all my friends. Thinking about this life I provide for them. This world has some real things dividing them. Don't care about my uncle, don't care about my uncle, don't care about my uncle. Yeah, take a peek, bitch, you million no stop wax. Take a peek, on your lips, gobbling on my. Don't care about no mother. Watch, no, don't care about no high end, nah. You just a high standard. Brandy your pajama, Gucci bunda, body member. I just picked up something from Mercedes. It's a one-on-one, black exterior, the one that I want. Red inside at the time of the month. Blood money, that's how I got this. Blood money, that's how I got this. We can vacation wherever we want, cause I don't care what none of my ops is. Hey, I'm feeling like 2 Chainz. I'm 21, I'm not 22. Knocking off the name brand in your crew. Heard you miss your dogs, now long live. Woo. Idiot. Yeah.
Talo tayo guys. Bukas yung ring sa kanila, buong laro eh. Sa amin, medyo sarado minsan. Kaya nila bukas eh.
Nag-veterano.
Ayaw niya pagalingan eh. Next game daw. Hindi, congrats sa kanila siyempre. Team sila eh. Sa amin chemistry talaga. Sa amin, more on ano lang eh. Kick out lang. Pero at least nakadikit tayo kahit pa paano. Okay lang. Ay, pagkain pala, pre. Ano naman yung pagkain pa?
Wait, apa?
Bibigay tayong konting pabor siyempre sa kanila dahil
Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. Salamat ha.
parang top way.
Thank you, brother.